Welcome back, participants, in the third video lecture of Microsoft Excel. In this video, we will learn about graphical and diagrammatic representation as well as formatting of tables in Microsoft Excel to make data more representative and explanatory. Excel chart. Graphical representation of any data set is not only providing maximum information in a self-explanatory mode, but also it is a treat for viewers as it depicts the meaning behind the numbers. Each of Excel's chart types has different features that make them better suited for specific tasks. We can find the chart group under the Insert tab on the ribbon, which can be expanded by clicking on a small arrow at extreme right bottom corner of chart group. Excel offers the following major chart types such as column chart, line chart, pie chart, donut chart, bar chart, area chart, scatter chart, bubble chart, stock chart, surface chart, radar chart, and combo chart. All of these chart types are further subdivided as we can see that similar kind of chart are clubbed together under a particular template as shown here. To create any chart, there are 3 steps. First of all, we need to select the range of data which need to be represented in the chart. Then click the Insert tab on the ribbon. Then, depending upon requirements, we can use any chart type for our dataset. You can make different type of chart from same dataset. For example, you can make column, line, pie, and bar chart from the same dataset as you can see here. Once chart is ready, most of the time there is a need to make it more meaningful and visually appealing. By clicking on any chart, we are able to see contextual ribbon tabs under chart tools, which help us in enhancing the chart. Design under the chart tool allow us to change the chart type, switching the data of rows and columns, change of overall layout, and chart style. Layout under chart tool allow us current selection, insert picture, shape or text box, manage the labels, manage the axis, background, and analysis such as trend line or error bars. Apart from this, Microsoft Excel give us many more flexibility to enhance the quality of chart by using right mouse key on various points of chart. For example, we can format axis, change the chart color, add grid lines, and secondary axis as per our requirements. Steps to format y-axis. Right-click on y-axis, manage minimum values, maximum values, major unit, and minor unit. Now you can see the formatted y-axis. Microsoft Excel also helps us to add error bar, trend line, along with equation and R-square value on a chart. Here you will learn how to add error bars in a chart. Under Chart tool, click on Layout, then click on Error bars, then click on More bars options, then select both direction, select Custom Error Amount, click on Specify Value, select standard deviation in both positive error value and negative error value. Then click OK and click Close. Finally, error bars are displayed on the chart. Now we will learn how to add linear trendline equation and R-square value on a chart. Select Scatter Chart. Click on Axis Titles as primary vertical axis title to format Y-axis title. Similarly, click on Axis Titles as primary horizontal axis title to format X-axis title. Delete unwanted labels and grid lines and click on Layout under Chart and select More Trend Lines as More Trend Line option. Then select Linear Trend Line and check the boxes for display equation on chart as well as R-square value. Finally, linear trend line equation and R-square value will be displayed on a chart. Now we will see how to add secondary axis in Microsoft Excel. This is one of the most important tools available in Microsoft Excel. We need to draw a secondary axis when the numbers in a chart vary widely from data series to data series, or we have mixed types of data like price and volume. Plot one or more data series on secondary vertical axis. The scale of secondary vertical axis shows the values for associated data series. Steps for adding secondary axis in Microsoft Excel. Click on Chart Design and then change chart type. Click on Combo on this new window. Then select Series for secondary axis. Now you can see the chart with secondary axis. There are some other useful formatting options available in Microsoft Excel, like applying cell borders. To apply cell border, select the cell or range of cells that you want to add a border to. On the Home tab, in the Font group, click the arrow next to the borders. Then click the border style that you want to select, and here you can see cells with desired borders. Now about applying cell shadings. To apply cell shadings, select the cell or range of cells that you want to apply shading. Then on the Home tab, in the Font group, choose the arrow next to Fill Color button image, and then under Theme Colors or Standard Colors, select the color that you want to apply. Here you can see cells with desired shadings. Microsoft Excel can do simple math as well as add, subtract, multiply or divide. To do that, pick a cell and then type an equal sign. That tells Microsoft Excel that this cell will contain a formula. Then type a combination of numbers and calculation operators like the plus sign for addition, the minus sign for subtraction, the asterisk for multiplication, and / for division. To distinguish between different types of numbers, add a format like currency, percentages, or dates. To do that, select the cells that have numbers you want to format. Then click the Home tab and then click the arrow in the General box. Pick a number format such as currency and numbers are then formatted into currency form. Please note, if you don't see the number format you are looking for, click More Number Formats. Let us see how to freeze a column or row in Microsoft Excel. To lock any row or column, freeze pens can be used. The locked row or column will be visible on the screen even after we scroll the sheet vertically or horizontally. To do that, select the row right below the row you want to freeze. Then go to the View tab. Select the freezing options such as Freeze Pans or Freeze Top Row. Quick analysis in Microsoft Excel. This tool adds meaning to your data and let you total your numbers quickly. The quick analysis tool is available in advanced version of Microsoft Excel. Whether it is sum, average or count you want, or formatting of cells, or quick charts or mini charts or tables, all available right below or next to your numbers. To do that, select the cells that contain numbers you want to add or count. Then click the Quick Analysis button in the bottom right corner of the selection. Some examples of quick formatting analysis are data bar, color scale, icon set, greater than, top 10%, and many others available on Microsoft Excel. Some quick chart options include clustered column, clustered bar, and others. There are some quick formulas also available in Microsoft Excel under Totals tab, such as sum, average, count, percent total, and running total. Quick table and pivot table also available in Microsoft Excel under Tables tab. Quick mini charts in a single cell can be made by using Spark Lines tab in Quick Analysis. How to get help in Microsoft Excel. Click the F1 key on your keyboard or the Help button available at the right-hand side of each ribbon to browse through a collection of help topics or to search for a topic. Google is an excellent tool so long as you are sufficiently specific in your search terms, like how to change chart layout in Excel 2013. Or you can also ask an expert. We can also insert comments in Excel. You can add comments to any cell of the Excel by just a single right click. Comments can be edited or deleted, as well as other person can also reply to that comment. The red triangle indicates that some comment is associated with the cell. Hover the mouse over it and you can read the full comment. To add comment, following steps to be followed. Right-click the cell and then click New Comment. Type your comment. You can mention someone to address the comment to them. This sends them email notification of the comment. The red triangle indicates that some comment is associated with the cell. We can also edit or delete comments. There are various comment options available in Review panel of Microsoft Excel. Finally, how to save data in Microsoft Excel. If this is the first time you have saved this file, under Save As, pick where to save your workbook and then browse to a folder. In the file name box, enter a name for your workbook. Select the Save As type. There are various Save As types available in Microsoft Excel. As you can see here, XPS document, PDF, XML data, CSV format, text format, and many others. Once you select your desired file type, click on it and then click on Save. Once the file is saved after any editing, click the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar or press Ctrl+S. This is brief on basic aspects of Microsoft Excel. I tried to cover both old and new features of Microsoft Excel, although they are more or less similar. Due to limitation of time duration, it is not possible to cover all aspects. However, for any query, please feel free to contact on my email ID. Thank you.